जय माता दी फ्रेंड्स, आशा करती हूँ आप लोग सब अच्छे से होंगे। आज हम मेवान को लेके आए हैं डॉग शो दिखाने के लिए। अगर आप भी डॉग लवर्स हैं और आपको डॉग्स देखना पसंद है तो आप इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। तो चलिए आज का ब्लॉग शुरू करते हैं।
Next we have Hachi as the pet and Dinesh as the pet parent. Let's invite Hachi and Dinesh to the stage with a round of applause, everybody. Come on. Music for them. Catches और बहुत देखते हैं तो catch करते हैं। अभी इसको ऑपरेट करने की वजह से थोड़ा दिक्कत है। सॉरी, अभी थोड़ा डार्कनेस की वजह से और उसके एज की वजह से थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो रही है। थैंक यू।
Hi, I am Harry and this is Reva. She's 10 months old and she was gifted to my mom by my father on her star birthday. So her name came from my mom's star birthday is on Revati date. So from Revati we thought that we should keep her name as Reva. So that's where her name came. Really stubborn. We have taught her many tricks like handshake, but whenever we show her hand,
See from here you can go there.
That's my daughter Amoli. So for us, the best thing that she has is the relationship she has with my daughter. So even if my daughter calls mama from the room, she will ensure she reaches the room before I do. So that is something we really cherish. And that's it. Thank you. Any questions for us?
She do any tricks?
She makes us do tricks, so we can do it. She usually is like a happy-go-lucky dog. She doesn't give up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So that is Lolo with Amoli and Devik. All right. Next we have Luna with the pet parent Tamanna. So this is Luna over here with the pet parent Tamanna. Let's have a round of applause and welcome them to the stage. Music ho jaye.
Hi guys, my name is Tamanna and this is Luna. She is 16 months old. The name was kept by my niece. Like we wanted a moon baby, so she is Luna, the lunar moon. That's how we got her name.
Husky Rio.
Any question?
Husky Rio. Zoro, your name is? There's no name for it. Okay. Ashita.
Zoro with Akshita. Let's have a round of applause and invite Zoro to.
Walking for 2 hours and he would still be active after coming home. And he's also very friendly with everyone. Very open.
Thank you so much, Zoro, for joining us.
हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम अनिल। मैं बहुत फील कर रहा था कि मेरे पास कोई छोटा भाई है। ये मेरे मॉम ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया था कि कोई नहीं तो इसके से। मैं जहाँ भी जाता हूँ मोस्टली इसको ले आता हूँ। और यहाँ आने का रीज़न भी ये था कि मॉल में डॉग्स को अलाउ नहीं करता है जगह। मेरा सपना था कि मैं एक बार मॉल में इसको लेके आऊँ कहीं पे भी। ये इवेंट के कारण मेरे को यहाँ पे आने का मौका मिला। मैं इसको यहाँ पे लेके आया और इसकी हॉबी है, इसको जो बोलो वो कर देगा, बट अपने मूड पे डिपेंड करता है। जैसे ये बाइक पे घूमना उसको बहुत पसंद है। एनी टाइम कुछ भी कर देता है, ये मूडी इंसान है। थैंक यू। ओह, थैंक यू।
Any questions?
Thank you RCT for hosting this event. People like Anil would like to come again and again for such events. Where
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Usually, students नहीं पहनते थे because उनका grip जो
What would you like to share with the audience about the difficulty you are facing in judging these pets?
नीति इज लाइक मेरे को कुछ डिफिकल्टी नहीं है, मैं सब कुछ संभाल सकती है, लेकिन मैं बात नहीं करूंगी, संदेश बात करेंगे।
नहीं ऑफ कोर्स एनी एनिमल हाँ थोड़ी बहुत डिफिकल्टी होती है क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास 2 जर्मन शेफर्ड है, कोई बीमार है, कोई ओल्ड एज, बट इज द एफर्ट ऑफ द पेट पेरेंट्स व्हाट दे हैव टेकन।
Are you having fun?
Yes, a lot.
Audience, so far you guys having fun? The kids have totally occupied the front row seat. क्या बात है? So welcome Simba to the stage with the pet parent Prerna. जोरदार ताली से स्वागत।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा सावंत और ये मेरा पेट सिम्बा। और ये 6 महीने का है और ये बात भी करता है, बेसिकली स्पीक्स। ही कैन से आई लव यू, नो, ये है डैड एंड ऑल। यू वांट टू हियर? सिम्बा, सिम्बा, से आई लव यू, से स्पीक, स्पीक आई लव यू। I love you. Speak, speak. I love you. Speak. I love you.
Okay.
Judges, please, if you have any questions. Pet parent Rashmi.
Basically, she knows 2 talents. She eats on 3 number command. I will show you. Missy, sit, sit, Misty, sit, sit, sit. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3. And she gives reply for I love you. Misty, I love you. I love you, Misty.
Okay, so we have Jasmine, who's a husky with a pet parent Shivangi and Darshi. So Jasmine is the pet, Shivangi and Darshi are the pet parents over here.
Hi, good evening. So, I'm Darshi and she's my wife Shivangi. She's a dog, but she's a cat. Actually. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Along with the pet parent, Roshali.
Her name is Nelly. She is 4 years old. She is a bulldog.
Okay, sit करके hand दे दिया, क्या बात है? I really love this part where judges look at each other and like, नहीं तू पूछ ले, नहीं तू पूछ ले.
आपकी मेहनत दिख रही है थैंक यू
अपरिचिता. सही बोला ना? Then we have another Oreo. Rupal. तालियां नहीं सुनाएंगी आप लोग की भाई और बहनों, तालियां हो जाए एक बार. Come on everybody.
Lovely, because of her we got so many happiness in our life. So I will try to do some trick. Okay.
Kalavati is like ball से tricks नहीं होगा, कुछ खाने पीने को दो.
No, she loves ball,
She loves ball, okay?
but now she's actually very confused and she wants to see everyone.
Judges.
1, 2.
Rio with Deep. His t-shirt says it's my birthday, not birthday. मतलब वही है क्या?
Just turned 1 now.
He turned 1 when? Today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. क्या बात है? Belated happy birthday to our friend Rio. तालियां हो जाए एक बार Rio के लिए everybody. Deep. There you go.
So hello guys, hello judges. My name is Deep, and Furball here goes with the name Rio. He's a full-time ball chaser. He's a cuddler. He's everything to us.